Welcome to All for Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable Task Manager on your Windows computer. Maybe you are facing the problem that I am facing now. See there, my Task Manager is disabled now. Let's go to solve the issue. Press Windows key and R together. You will find the Run option. Type here regedit. Press Enter button. You will find this kinds of window. Click on H key current user, then go to software. Now click on Microsoft. I am maximize the window and scroll down, go to Windows and click on current version, and now go to policies. If you don't have the system in the policy section, click on the right button, go to new and just click on key. Now type system. Now press enter, click on the system and right click on here, go to D word 32-bit and now write disable task mgr. This is the case sensitive, so you have to maintain the lowercase and uppercase. Now click on the disable task mgr and the value is by default 0. If there are 0, that means your task manager is enabled now. Okay, if the value is 1, that means your task manager is disabled now. See here, the task manager is now disabled. I am just enabling my task manager. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.